Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, and today I'll be showing you how you can import contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up your contacts application, see how long it takes me to find it. Typically I would be saying that it should be alphabetical, but it's of course hidden in a folder. There we go. So anyway, once you open up your contacts application, in here you will want to click on these three dots and select settings. You can then select import contacts. So can we change this? See. Oh, there we go. So it's kind of done in a weird way. It's the scrollable menu, which doesn't really show the two options. Now I want to check something. If I flip it this way, now we can see both of the options at the same time. So going to click on our SIM card. This then displays all the contacts that are located on the SIM card. So I can tap on them. Now when you select one at least, it gives you this option right here to select all of them quickly. And at the bottom you want to select done and select where you want to import your contacts to. As you can see, we have several different options. We have the Samsung account, Google account, and we also have the tablet itself. So I'm going to be choosing tablet. And additionally, again, the button to confirm it is now off the screen, so we're going to swipe. And you can see it right here. Click on it. And you can see it imported all the contacts, and that's it. So these contacts should now be visible somewhere in the list. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.